That is some good freaking pizza.
You would not expect to have this kind of pizza in Vietnam.
Pizza party!
Ooh, baby.
Wowie, Maui.
So excited for some pepperoni pie.
All right, here we are, another pizza adventure. And we got a special guest with us today. We brought Quinn with us. She doesn't have a call. She's not too busy, and we get the opportunity to take her out for pizza. Are you excited about it?
So excited for pizza.
It's gonna be a great time. So tonight we're going to Olivia's Pizza, one of the highest rated pizza parlors in all of Da Nang, Vietnam. Not peppers only, it's pepperoni. Hi there, can we get one medium pepperoni, please? Yes. For takeaway. Yeah. Okay, perfect, thank you. You wanna see a happy girl? That's a happy girl.
We got our pizza bag secured. It smells so good, and it's actually pretty big. We're gonna go home and make sure that we do the same type of review that we do for every single pizza.
Pizza time. Here's the pizza.
Woohoo! Oh, it's so warm. Here we are, Olivia's Pizza.
Oh.
Wow.
That looks good. What do you think?
Holy cow, that looks so good. Okay.
Ooh, cheese pull.
Oh my god.
Looks pretty good.
Oh, baby, little flippy flop. Oh my god. Wow.
Really? Is that good?
The cheese is so good, and the dough, this is a 9.1.
That's up there.
It deserves it.
I'm excited about this one. Visually, this is a stunning piece of pizza. I love this. It looks Italian. Honestly, it smells Italian. I think they put a little bit of olive oil on it at the end. Look at that beautiful thing.
Wow, look at that cheese.
Gotta throw the cheese back on. I personally like to eat it with a little crust. People might hate on it, my pizza roll style, but you know what? Molten lava, I'm gonna burn the top of my mouth. My dentist knows I eat a lot of pizza because I burn the top of my mouth, so I earned the right to review. Here we go. Okay, that is really good. You would not expect to have this kind of pizza in Vietnam. This is really good. They spend time making this dough. My wife hit it dead on. The mozzarella cheese is fire. It's so fire. I like how they add the basil too. The basil's a really nice touch. Sauce, slightly acidic, little bit of sweetness. This is a great pizza. Would I like it a little bit more crispy? Perhaps. You're right, babe. It's in the 9 class, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 9.23. 9.23. That's Olivia's Pizza. Highly recommend it. The price, pretty good deal. Pretty good deal, not that bad. You gotta try it. If you're in Da Nang, don't miss out on this pizza, you'll regret it. All right, I got an extra fun moment for me and my wife. We are getting a bonus pizza.
Bonus pizza.
Thank you, Grab. This pizza's a little bit far away, but I figured we might as well do one of the cheapest options that they have available in Da Nang, Vietnam. Actually, one of the cheapest pizzas I've ever had in my life. I ordered it for delivery because it's actually quite far away, but don't question if this is gonna be a good deal. I can promise you it's gonna be a good deal. The question really is, will this be delicious and will it get Quinn's approval? I'm not sure, but I hope so because the price was right. Pizza should be evaluated on price and quality. This is definitely the ultimate test. All right, I think I see him. Here he comes to save the day. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. The pizza has arrived. They're very small. They're tiny, actually. We'll find out if it's a good deal. But we had to do it. Bonus pizza round, baby.
Bonus pizza.
All right. Bonus pizza. We have to do it. We got to do it on not just quality, but on value. The best deal on pizza that we've had thus far. All right, here we go.
Let's see, it's so cute and little. It's definitely the tiniest pizza we've had so far, but I'm not mad at it.
It's smaller than I expected it would be.
Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a mini.
Boat's Pizza, ladies and gentlemen.
Pizza. Okay, here we go. Whoa. We got corn.
They didn't have just pepperoni, so I went with what seemed the closest to it.
I am going to try one tiny little slice of pepperoni. It's this guy right here. You know what this kind of reminds me of? It's a pizza that you get at like a baseball game. You know, one person size. All right, here we go. One bite, everyone knows the rules. Okay. This is definitely unlike any of the other pizzas that we have tried so far. Let me break it down for you. The sauce is sweet. Bread is not dough, it is bread that does not actually taste like pizza dough. It just tastes like I'm eating flat bread with some sweet sauce and a little bit of cheese. The cheese is the sauce is I just think if I'm gonna spend the calories on eating pizza while in Da Nang, this would not be my first choice. So I would put this at a 3.41.
3.41! Oh man. Wait till I tell you the price. You want to take that back. Are you ready for the #1 pizza in the world? I feel like you ate the only pepperoni that was on that pizza. Okay, so that's a flaw. Can't tear it apart, unfortunately. Oh man, I have to say it's way smaller than I expected. Oh, very light. Not much pepperoni, obviously. Not much sauce. Cheese. I can't wait to tell you the price. This was a very good deal. One bite, we'll give it a go. That's not too bad. That is not too bad. Way better than any frozen pizza, I will say that. Good flavor. Man, I think it's because I know the price that I'm gonna give it such a high score. I'm gonna give it an official score of a 6.47. Hey, it ain't too shabby. It's unique, it's one of a kind. It's perfect personal size. Comes right to your door, good price, good pizza.
Okay, tell me the price because that is definitely swaying your bias.
Price for this pizza was $39,000. The price is like right here, which come on, you can't hate on a pizza that costs that much money. You can't even get a slice of those other pizzas for that price. I think this is a pretty decent deal.
39 would way rather have pho. Would way rather have a banh mi. I would rather have a lot of other things that cost less than this. Yeah, that's my take on it.
Would I order it again? Yeah, I would. Will I order again? No, I won't. Bonus pizza was fun though. I had to try something very affordable, available for everyone. I had to give it a go. No hate on this. This will not go to waste. Quinn will probably eat most of it. I'll have a bite of it. I'm just kidding. Thanks for tuning in to Bonus Pizza Round.
Bonus pizza.
I had to try it. That's all we had to do. We just had to throw in a little bit of a stranger thing. So here we are, giving it our best.